Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Selzy and this is the best free email marketing platform. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So right now as you can see we are on the platform, and since it is used for free email marketing, it is going to be providing you a lot of templates, chatbots, campaigns that you can create. So if you want to create a chatbot, simply click on this create scenario option and it will be directed towards this workflow creation section. Now if we simply head back, you can see in the templates section we are going to be having some templates. So currently they are coming, but meanwhile you are watching this video, they might update it and add some templates. We also have our campaigns that we can create for different type of email and all that stuff. So on the top left side of your screen you can see we have this create email option, and using this we can create email marketing, SMS, Viber, Telegram and email template. So you can also add your contacts using this contacts option on the left side of your screen. It's really awesome. Simply click on add contacts option. You can add one contact, import from file, or bulk copying of list. So this is really awesome. You have your tools and much more. That you have your integrations as well. You will be able to see a lot of integrations that you can utilize with Selzy to make it even more powered. And you know how important integrations are, like for example Zapier and all that stuff. So let me just try to refresh it, and yeah, so here as you can see all of these integrations are possible in Selzy. So really amazing platform in my opinion. And if you are still unsure about Selzy, let me just show you some amazing reviews. Powerful email marketing companion, email delivery. So Selzy delivery, the ability to resend campaigns to contacts who did not open previously. So you can see really amazing features. You can head over to the link in the description to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto Selzy, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.